All right, guys, continuing to take some of your questions that you guys had on lesson 5.4, synthetic division, the remainder theorem, dividing polynomials. We're going to look right now at number 39. Lost my marker. 39. All right. We're given this polynomial 2x to the fourth plus 6x cubed plus 5x squared minus 45. And we want to find p of -3. All right. And again, what we could do is put -3 in here for x and follow order of operations and evaluate it that way. But again, really what I want you to focus on is using the remainder theorem, which says if we do synthetic division and divide this thing by -3, whatever our remainder is should be the same thing as what I would get if I put -3 in there. So let me do synthetic division here. So again, just focusing on my coefficients. So I got 2, 6, 5. They left out an x, so I've got to put a 0 in there, and then the minus 45 or -45. All right, and now I'm going to divide that thing by -3. So now here we go with synthetic division. So I add and then multiply. I add and then I multiply. I add and then I multiply. I add and then I multiply. And then finally I add. All right, so I'm getting an answer of 0. All right, so that that does mean that if I put -3 in here for x, I should get an answer of 0. All right, so again, I'm not asking you to do this on your homework, but I just want to check it just to to help you see really what's going on here. So this might take a little bit, but so I'm putting -3 in for x. See, so -3 to the fourth would be -3 used as a factor 4 times, and I think that's going to be 81. So 2 times 81, that's 162. Okay. -2 cubed, I'm sorry, -3 cubed is -27, and 6 times -27. I don't have that memorized just yet. I'll keep working on that. I got -162. Oh, that's good. Those are going to zero out, so I don't even need to worry about those anymore. All right. If I do -3 squared, -3 squared is 9. And then take that times 5, that's 45. And I got minus 45, and guess what? That equals 0. So yeah, it looks like the remainder theorem works here. All right, so again, this idea of synthetic division, and again, I'm guessing, probably where most of you ran into difficulties was forgetting about that 0 there. All right, so the powers of x should go down by 1 every time. 4, 3, 2. They skip the x to the first, so I've got to put that 0 in as a placeholder there. All right, so answer to 39 on your homework should be 0. I hope this helps. Take care, guys.